Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change scenes in Unity. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get rid of our sample scene, and we're going to create two new scenes. So we're going to create scene link, get another one, save, save again. I'm going to create another one called game. And then to differentiate between the two, we are going to give them some cool colors. So scene will have that color, and in camera will have that color. Then we're going to create, and then we're going to create an empty, we're going to call it, and we're going to insert that scene manager, and then we're going to add a script to that scene manager, and we're going to call it scene script. Open that. Up top, we are going to add in a new library, so that way we can manage the scenes. And then in our update, we are going to get an input, so that way we can change between the scenes using an input. I already have a tutorial on this. There should be a card up ahead to show you how to do this. Okay, and now we're going to write our code that allows us to switch between the scenes. Alright, and then right here you are going to type your scene name. So in this case we are going to load main, don't forget your semicolon. Alright, and then we want another input, so that way we can switch back. So what we're going to do is we are going to change that to an S, and we're going to change the scene that we want it to change to game. And then we're going to go ahead and hit File, Save, and go ahead and go back into the Unity. Now we're going to make sure the scene manager is a prefab, and we're going to go over to our game scene, and we are going to add our scene manager in there. Lastly, we need to go to Build Settings, and we need to add our scenes into here. So we will go ahead and add our game scene by hitting this button, which adds the scene that you're in. So we'll go ahead and close this. Head back over to our main scene. So hit File, Build Settings, and we will add that one as well. Now typically you would want your main menu scene first. Now we'll go here into the game scene, go ahead and hit play. And then if we hit the keys, we switch between scenes, and that was how to change between scenes in 1 minute.